Hello guys, before we start this course, let me show you the end result of this course in a real trading account and using a simple strategy. Okay, to do that, we need the trading report. Right click. Okay, save as a report. Statement. And save. Okay, here we have the result. As you can see, we have as initial deposit $10,000, and we start trading using a low frequency trading tactic since 14 December 2020. And here we have the result of these trades one by one. I will teach you in this course how to achieve the same result using a simple strategy. After less than 3 months with low frequency trading, that means we took 1 to 2 positions per week. The result is we have more than $10,000 in the end, without stress and using a very simple strategy applied to Dow Jones graph. Thank you and see you in the next course.